Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is officially New Year's Eve, and although there are people getting their hair and makeup did ready to go out to a party or a dinner or, you know, all that stuff, I decided to go ahead and film for you guys because, I don't know, I like filming. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic New Year's Eve, and I'm probably gonna upload this after New Year's, so I hope you all had a blast. Today, I'm just gonna be unboxing a ton of stuff that was sent to me from Pixie, Pixie and Elf. Don't mind that, I'm actually planning on doing a giveaway pretty soon, and Prestige Cosmetics. If you guys want to see what I was sent, then please keep watching. Bye. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and sit down for this because I gotta open some boxes. Alright, so this is the first package right here. Pixie, thank you Pixie for sending me this. And I'm gonna shout out the PR manager for Pixie because she always sends me some cool stuff. Oh, what is this? Ah, lovely packaging. I love it. Thank you, Pixie. So let's go ahead and open. Ooh. All right, this is it's the Glow Tonic from Pixie, and it has my name on it, and my name is actually spelled correctly for once. A lot of times when people spell my name, they spell it with 2 L's, but you know, this Michelle comes with 1 L. Let's go ahead and smell this. Oh, it has like a little protective cap thingy. Use my claws. Smells like soap. I actually don't use a toner or anything on my skin, so I'm really excited to use this and see what a difference it makes on my skin, and I'll probably use this prior to the application of makeup just to ensure that my skin is clean and all that. So I'll definitely be doing a little tutorial using this for sure. All right, next on my unboxing table is Elf from the Elf Beauty Squad. Let's go ahead and open this and see what goodies are hiding inside. All right, this is what we have in the Elf package. We have this Beauty Shield lipstick. I'm really excited to try this out. Let's go ahead and swatch this really quick. That's a really nice bright red color. This is the next one, also from Elf. This is in the color Dusty Rose Shield. Ooh, that is a really pretty color. This is a very nice bright red, and this is a very nice pale nude shade. I think this is the perfect tone for daytime, and then this is really great for nighttime. By the way, guys, these are not just lipsticks. They actually have a lot more things going on in the mix, and it says that these lipsticks are antioxidant enriched. It helps protect against environmental aggressors, pollutants, dust, and smoke, and it's formulated without parabens, sulfate, phthalates, and alcohol. If you have sensitive lips or want hydration or dry lips, this is perfect for you. These are the little silicone sponges. I've never used a silicone sponge before, so I'm kind of excited to see how this applies my foundation, and I will be doing a compare video comparing this to the Beauty Blender to see how the finish looks. Oh, and this is also from Elf. This is a silicone blender and a highlight sponge duo. We also have some lip palettes from Elf. This is more on the darker shades, more for people who have an olive skin tone or a deeper skin tone, and also for nighttime. And then this one is more on the brighter side, so more lighter skin tone, and you know, you can definitely rock this in the afternoon or evening. Got another one from Pixie here, and this one is the Glow Tonic Go. It is actually a Glow Tonic to go. So these are the little pads of, I believe, this big bottle right here. So these are pre-soaked, and this is just the liquid. These are the soaking pads. You can definitely travel with this. And look at this, we got a t-shirt here. All right, guys, this is my last package from Elf. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. All right, got a little note from Elf here. Hustletober. Okay, I'm 2 months too late for this package, sorry. Hustletober, we know you're busy creating insane Halloween looks, which I actually was, and wrapping up your holiday plans, and thought it would be perfect time to introduce you to our newest Elf active line. Ooh, they have an active line. I like it. This is their post-workout cleansing towelettes. So I don't know about you guys, but I love cleansing towelettes. I actually have a pack just sitting here, and I get these from Walmart. They come in a pack of 60 and they're like glued together or whatever, so they come in a pack of 120 for like $5-6. I love cleansing towelettes. I use them all the time, so this is pretty cool that they came out with one as well. I actually am interested to see how this smells. My cleansing towelettes don't smell like this, but I wonder how much these are if I buy it in this like little bag right here. All right, we got this workout ready lip and cheek palette from their active line. We have this sweat resistant mascara in brow duo. Whoa, mascara and brows. Nice. So this is the mascara side, and then the other side is the brow gel. That's pretty cool. I like that. Pretty neat. All right, we got this workout ready hydration stick. I'm guessing this is like deodorant. I don't know. Let's see. This is like a moisturizer that you apply on your skin, and they just call it a hydration stick. It also smells like those cleansing towelettes, which is really, really nice. And this is the last one in this box, a post-workout cool down mist. So you know how you set your face? This is what you kind of spray on yourself after you're done working out. I usually never do that, but screw it. Let's try this out right now. I actually love how the product comes out of the nozzle. It's really even, and it's not like shooting in one spot. Like, it sprays out perfectly. I love that. I really love the smell of it. It just smells so refreshing. Let's see what's in this. There's just a ton of stuff on here that I can't pronounce. All right, last package is from Prestige. Let's open up and see what's in here. We got 2 jumbo pencils. This is a jumbo eyeshadow in gold, and then I believe this is a lip crayon in the color plum. This is a gold eyeliner, and we got a gold eyeshadow. So I'll definitely create a look with this. I'll do like a gold eyeshadow with like a plum lip, and I actually have a ton of their eyeliners as well that I do want to do a review on, just in case you guys are interested in learning a little bit more about Prestige Cosmetics and the products they have. All right guys, that wraps up this unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing New Year's Eve. Happy New Year. I'm really excited to see what 2018 has in store for us. Until next time, love you guys. Bye.